Welcome to Lagos, home to Nigeria's tallest building, Nicom House. In the late 1970s, planners and engineers envisioned a towering symbol of Nigeria's growth. Nicom House, also known as Nitel Tower, was born. Designed by the brilliant minds at Nixon Boris and Partners, this 32-story skyscraper stands at an impressive 160 meters. But how did they do it? The secret lies in its robust structural engineering. The core is a reinforced concrete framework providing strength and stability. Construction began with meticulous planning and precision. Every beam, every bolt, meticulously placed to ensure safety and durability. The building features a distinct communications spire, essential for telecommunication purposes, symbolizing Nigeria's leap into modern connectivity. Completed in 1979, Nicom House not only became a central hub for communications, but also a landmark of architectural achievement. From planning to completion, Nicom House remains a towering testament to Nigeria's engineering prowess. Subscribe for more architectural marvels.